This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to publish an article on LinkedIn. So I'm right here on my LinkedIn profile, my Matt Crawford profile right here on LinkedIn. Now, a couple of different ways to post an article on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you the quickest way. So we're going to come up to the home option right here at the top. And once that's open, that's your home page, which is open right here. Now we've got these options for start a post. We've got the video and the photo options right here. Now start a post, I'll show you that quickly. It's just a standard post. So this isn't an article. As you can see back on the home screen, we do have this write article option now on LinkedIn. So this is a small post. There's not much in the way of like formatting. We can't do bullet points and things like that. So this is just a very basic post. Now, if you want to write an article, we can click on write article right here, and now this new window opens. So first of all, we can do cover images now and videos to add it to actually add directly to our article will appear at the top. So if you have an image or a video on your computer, you can upload directly from your computer, drag that in for your desktop or wherever. We have a title right here, so we can add an article title, and then the body content of the article goes here. So body content goes here. Now, there are a whole bunch of options we can do right here. So first of all, we've got the bold and the italics at the top here. So if I wanted body to be bold, and maybe I want goes for some weird reason to be italic, I can do that. So we can do bold and italics right there. We can also do style options. So we can do normal body font like it is right here. There's also the heading and the subheading. So I'll show you the heading and I will show you the subheading. So I mean, all of this you'll discover yourself as you go around, but just giving you a little intro here. I'm not going to cover absolutely everything, but we've got heading and subheading, so you see the differences there. As this is an article, it's a long form post. It's not just a standard LinkedIn post, so you might want to include headings, subheadings, as well as the body content as you go along. So important to know that at any time you can add an image or a video from your computer, so you can insert that in there. We can add hyperlinks, so if we wanted content to actually be a link, we can add our link right here. So we can add hyperlinks into the article content itself. There's quite a few different style options we got here. We can add dividers in here. We can even add code blocks. So we can click this code icon right here, and we can add code blocks. We can add block quotes if you're not familiar with what a block quote looks like. Quite good for the start of an article, where we can, if I hit block quote there, so you get this nice styled effect. We could literally put a quote from a famous person or something at the start of an article, or even halfway through an article. So you've got those options. You've got your bullet points right here. So there's the bullet point. And also we've got the numbered points as well. That's quite cool. So numbered points as well. And I think I've covered most things. We can actually manage our posts, our articles, even from here. I won't go through all of those options right now. And once you're happy with your article, you've got it all styled up. Of course, I should mention that it's super easy here, when you're actually in this window right here, super easy to just paste in things. If you have maybe an article in something like Google Docs, you can copy and paste that article directly into here. And it should, in general, it should hold all of your formatting. If it doesn't, you might have to tweak things directly in here. And then you will just click next, and you will publish your post, your article, I should say, on LinkedIn. So hopefully you found this video on how to publish an article on LinkedIn useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.